was the year 2002, and I was just around 11 years old. And one of the mini-discs that spun the most in my GameCube was Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. It was not, however, the fast-paced platforming levels or the mediocre multi-directional shooting levels that interested me the most, but rather the Tamagotchi-like game mode Chow Garden, where one could raise virtual pets called chows. I found the calm gameplay about taking care of virtual pets, together with the occasional chow minigames, extremely enjoyable, and dreamt of the day I could create my own virtual pet daycare game. My name is Robin Seibold, and I'm a game developer. I have developed and released 3 games: Miniman, Defensa, and Dokido. I've participated in a few game jams, and I also have a few, for different reasons, abandoned prototypes. After the Chow Garden in Sonic Adventure 2, it would take a few years before I played something as appeasingly fun again. But when it happened big. At the end of 2006, Rare released Viva Pinata. Both the original and the sequel captivated me with its stress-free and enjoyable gameplay. These games, together with many others, have and will continue to influence me now when it's time for me to start my next, most ambitious game project yet. The game will take place in a world not that different from ours. The player will compose and play their own character, and will be given a plot of land to manage. This plot of land can be customized, altered and extended to attract and accommodate different and often cute creatures. There won't be a clear-cut end goal, but rather a lot of different sub-goals for the player to achieve at their own pace. The activities will be many, including small-scale farming, housing and town activities, but the main focus are the creatures and their well-being. It seems quite popular to have a prepared elevator pitch for one's game, and my try at that would be something like a cozy creature collection and management game. I might have to refine that one. Anyway, this will initially be developed for PC, and I will be using the Unity game engine and Blender to realize this game. And during the whole development process, I will be releasing devlogs in a continuous fashion. The devlogs will not only be an addition to the process, but be an ingrained part of it, where most of them will focus on very specific implementation and design parts, with a clear theme. This will hopefully not only make the goal great, but also the journey. That mediocre wall art quote will have to end this prelude of a devlog for this yet-to-be-named game. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the development, make sure to click the bell to be notified when my next video releases. Feel free to follow me on Twitter for additional information drops. The link is in the video description. Bye.